Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on importance of water. Let's start the video. First line, water is very important for life. Second line, we drink water every day. Third line, water helps our body stay healthy. Fourth line, we use water for cooking food. Fifth line, plants need water to grow. Sixth line, all living things need water to survive. Seventh line, water is needed for washing and cleaning. Eighth line, rain is a main source of water. Ninth line, we should not waste water. 10th line, water is a precious gift of nature.